Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to continue with the very short question answers, part 2 of the circles. Now, see here, next concept we are going to see. Suppose we are having a circle, and suppose this is the diameter. Suppose these are the endpoints of the diameter x1, y1, x2, y2. So, we can find the equation of circle when endpoints of the diameter, or we can also say extremities of the diameter are given. When the endpoints of the diameter are given, we can find the equation of circle using the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. Now see here, let me do one question based on this. Find the equation of circle with what given points are minus 4 comma 3. Suppose this has x1 y1, this has x2 y2. So we want equation of circle. So equation of circle is, we know the formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Now let's substitute the values. X minus x1 is minus 4, minus 1 is plus 4, y minus y1 is, sorry, x minus x2. So what is x2 here? 3, x minus 3 plus y minus y1, y1 is 3, y minus y2 is minus 4, minus 1 is plus 4 equals to 0. Now let us solve this one. X into x is x square, x into minus 3 is minus 3x, 4 into x 4x, 4 3s are 12, y into y y square, y into 4 4y, minus into plus minus 3 into y 3y, minus into plus minus 12 equals to 0. Now let me do one thing. Let me write this in order wise. Let me write first x square, then y square, minus 4x minus 3x is plus x, 4y minus 3y is plus y, minus 12 minus 12 minus 24 equals to 0. Now just we recall what are the notations of circles. Suppose this is circle S equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Now S1 we can write x square as xx1, y square as yy1. Now reduce this coefficient by half. 2g half is half, 2g half is g. Reduce this by 2, 2g is g by half, x plus x1. In the same way 2f half is f into y plus y1 plus c. In the same way x s1 2 means here you apply 1 to x1 x2 y1 y2 g into x1 plus x2 f into y1 plus y2 plus c. Now S11 means same circle, the same circle. In place of x you write x1, you place for y you write y1. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. So this is the formula of S11. If there is no x and y terms, then the circle is like this: x square plus y square minus r square. So S1 will be xx1 plus yy1 minus r square. S12 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus r square. S11 is same, x1 square plus y1 square minus r square. Now see here the next concept. S11 is called the power of a point. S11 is called the power of a point. Suppose if we have a point, suppose xp somewhere x1 y1. How can we find if p is outside the circle? Then S11 will be greater than 0. If p is outside the circle, then S11 will be greater than 0. That is, S11 greater than 0 implies p lies outside the circle. If S11 less than 0, point P lies inside the circle. If S11 equals to 0, the point P lies on the circle. So I request first you by heart the notations, you practice these notations, okay? After that we can do the questions. First you try to by heart these or mug up these notations. Let me do questions on this. Now see on the board, find the power of a point with respect to the circle. We must denote the circle by s concurrent to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. Now let me see this point. We must write this point as x1 y1. What is the formula power of a point? So power of a point is, its formula is s11. So let me find s11. What does it mean? The same equation, in place of x we must write x1, in place of y must write y1. So s11 will be x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15. In place of x you write x1, in place of y you write y1. Okay, now let me substitute the values. X1 is 5, 5 square, point y1 is minus 6 square plus 8 into 5 plus 12 into minus 6 plus 15. So let me solve this one. Equals to 5 square is 25 plus 36 plus 40 plus into minus minus 72 plus 15. So first let me write the positive numbers. 40 plus 30 is 76. 76 minus 72 is 4. 4 plus 25 is 29. 29 plus 15, 29 plus 15. So it will be 14 carry 1, 2, 3, 4. 44. Okay, the values again you see this 4 plus 19, 25, 35, 45, 44 is the answer. So let me do one more question here. Locate the position of the point with respect to the circle. So let me write the circle as S. This is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. Now what is the point here? Point is 3 comma 4. Let me take this as x1 y1. How we can say the position of a point, whether it is inside the circle or outside or on the circle? I will find S11. If greater than 0 lies outside, if less than 0 lies inside, equals to 0 on the circle. So for that we have to find S11. In place of x, x1 square, y1 square minus 4. In place of x, x1. In place of y1 minus 12. Now let me substitute the values. 3 square plus 4 square. This is 3 square, 4 square, xy minus 4 into 3 minus 6 into 4 minus 12. 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 is 25 minus 4, 12 minus 24 minus 12 minus 12. So I think we are getting negative value now. This will be 1 minus 11 minus 11 minus 12 is minus 23. So this is S11 less than 0, less than 0. That means the point lies inside the circle. Therefore the point lies inside the circle, inside the circle. Now see the next concept. Suppose we are having a circle. From outside point we can draw two tangents to it, two tangents to it. So these two tangents are we can draw from the point outside to the circle. Now this length will be equal. The point to the point where the tangent touches the circle, this is called length of tangent. Length of tangent. And its formula is the value of length of tangent is root of S1. Length of tangent is given by root of S11. Length of tangent is root of S11. Suppose we are having a circle and we are having a one point on the circle x1 y1. So on this point the tangent is given by S1 equals to 0. Equation of tangent at a point x1 y1 on the circle is S1 equals to 0. Suppose we are having a circle and a line touches means tangent. So what with the condition? This is the perpendicular distance. Also this will be equal to the radius of the circle. So condition of tangent is radius equals to perpendicular distance from center to the line. If radius value and the perpendicular distance from center to the line, they both are equal, then we can say that this line touches the circle or this line is the tangent to the circle. So we know what is radius. For perpendicular distance from point to line, we know this formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Now let me do one question on this. Find the length of the tangent from to the circle. Let me denote the circle by x square plus y square minus 25 equals to 0. Now what is the length of tangent? Root of s11. Let me first write s11. So s11 is x square plus y1 square minus 25. Oh, what is the point here? Minus 2 comma 5. That is, this is x1, this is y1. So we can write like this: x1 minus 2 square is 4, y1 is 5 square is 25 minus 25 will get cancelled. So s11 equals to 4. Therefore length of tangent equals to under root of s11 under root of 4. This is equals to 2. Now see the next question. If the length of the tangent from 2 comma 5 to the circle is root 37, find the value of k. Length of tangent is given as root 37. So suppose the circle has s. What is given? Length of tangent is under root of s11. This is given as 37. This is given as root 36. Now square this, root will go. What we left here? S11 equals to 37. We know how to find S11. Write down S11. X square will be x1 square. Y square will be y1 square minus 5. X will be x1 4 y1 plus k. This is S11 equals to 37 equals to 37. Now let me substitute the values. X1 is 2. 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k equals to 0. 5 square, what is 5 square? 25. 25 plus 4 is 29 minus 10 plus 20 plus k equals to 0. Sorry, equals to, we are having 37 here. 37. 37. Once more, see here. 29 minus 10 plus 20. 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 plus 29 is 39. Bring this 39 on the other side. So k will be 37 minus 39. So this value will be minus 2. 37 minus 39. 20 minus 10 is 10 plus 39. On the other side, minus 39 minus 2. Let me do one more question here. Find the equation of tangent at to the circle. We know equation of tangent is s1 equals to 0. Equation of tangent is s1 equals to 0. Now what will be s1? In place of x square, you write xx1. S1 we already deal now. This x square is written as xx1. Y square is written as yy1. Now reduce this by half. Minus 6 half will be 3 into, you write like this, x plus x1. Again you reduce this by half. Half of 4 is 2 into y plus y1 minus 12. X square xx1 y square y1. 6 half is 3 into x plus x1. 4 half is 2 into y plus y1 minus 12 equals to 0. Now let me substitute the values. X into x1 is minus 1 plus y into y1 is 1 minus 3 into x plus x1 is minus 1 plus 2 into y plus y1 is 1 minus 12 equals to 0. Now let me solve these values. Minus x, no? Plus into x minus x plus y minus into plus minus 3x minus 1 is plus 3 plus 2 into y 2y plus 2 into 1 2 minus 12 equals to 0. Minus 3x minus x will be minus 4x. Now 3y plus, sorry, 2y plus y is 3y. Now constants. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 12 is minus 7 equals to 0. Let me take minus common. Minus, if you take common, this will become plus. This will become minus 3y. This will become plus 7 equals to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Now see the next question. Find the equation of normal to the circle at the point. Suppose there is a point 3 comma minus 4. Suppose this is the tangent at here. So we want the equation of normal at this point. So line perpendicular to tangent is normal. Line perpendicular to tangent is normal. So how we can find the equation of normal? The easy method is, let me find the center of the given circle. If we get the center, we will have the 2 points of the normal. So we can use 2 points to find the equation of normal, as this is the equation of for 2 points. Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So if we get the center, we'll get the norm 2 points on the normal. We can use this formula. So first, what is here? Given circle is x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equals to 0. What will be the value of g? Coefficient of x is 1. So its half, 1 by 2 is g. F is the coefficient of y by 2. Coefficient of y is 1. 1 by 2 will be f. Always the coefficient of x when reduced to half, it will be g. Coefficient of y reduced to half, it will be f. Now what is center here? Center is minus g comma minus f. So this will be minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Also given point is 3 comma minus 4. So suppose this is P, this is C. So that we substitute this as, suppose this has x1 y1, this has x2 y2. So what is the equation? Therefore equation of normal is, what will be the equation of normal? Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Let me solve this one. So y minus y1, y1 is minus 4 minus 1 is plus 4 equals to y2 minus 1 by 4 minus y1 minus 1 is plus 4 by x2 minus x1 is minus 3 into x minus x1 is 3. So let me solve these values. Now I am writing here, watch carefully. So y plus 4 equals to, if you take LCM, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 by 2 divided by, if you take LCM, 2 3s are 6, minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 by 2 into x minus 3. This 7 by 2, 7 by 2 will get cancelled. Bring this minus here, minus y minus 4 equals to x minus 3. Bring the numbers one side, x minus y on the other side plus y minus 4 on the other side plus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1 equals to 0. So this is the equation of normal. One more question is here, watch carefully. Now show that the line is a normal to the circle. This line Lx plus my, if and only to the circle means given circle is general form. This is x square plus y square plus 2gx. General, this equation is represented by s equals to 0. If and only if, so thus if this is the normal, we have to substitute the center because it passes through the center. So what is the center we are having? Now let me substitute this in normal. What is the equation of normal? Lx plus my plus n equals to 0. This is the given normal. So L into x is minus g. We are substituting the center because it is passing through center, plus m into f minus f plus n equals to 0. So this will be minus Lg minus mf plus n equals to 0. If you take minus common, this will be Lg plus mf minus n equals to 0. Bring minus n on the other side, it will be Lg plus mf equals to n. Now let me see. Now let me see the next concept. See here. Suppose we are having a circle. There is a point outside the circle. We know two tangents we can draw. Suppose these are the two tangents. Let they touches the circle at these 2 points A B. Now if we join this line AB, this is called chord of contact. Chord of contact. When we draw two tangents to a circle from a point, the points where the lines tangents in touches the circle, if we draw a line, this line is called chord of contact. Its equation will be S1 equals to 0. In the same way, there is a definition for polar. Equation of polar is also S1 equals to 0. So we are having, for this three, we are having same formula. Equation of chord of contact is also S1 equals to 0. Equation of polar is also S1 equals to 0. And equation of tangent is also S1 equals to 0. The difference will depends upon the point, whether it lies on the circle or outside the circle or inside the circle. But the formulas will be same for chord of contact, polar and tangent. All the three will have the same equation, is S1 equals to 0. Now let me do one question. Suppose given circle is x square plus y square. Bring this 9 here. What is the formula? Find the chord of contact. So we know, just seen, we chord of contact is S1 equals to 0. What will be S1? In x place of x square, must write xx1. In place of y square, must write yy1 minus 9 equals to 0. So what is the point here? 1 comma 1. This is x1 y1. X1 is 1. 1 into x is x. Y1 is 1, 1 into y is y, minus 9 equals to 0. So this is the equation of chord of contact. Let me do one more question here. See here, circle. Suppose this circle is represented by x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25. We want the equation of polar. So equation of polar is same formula. S1 equals to 0. So S1, how can we write? X square, you can write xx1. Y square, you can write yy1. Reduce this by 2. 10 by 2 is 5, x plus x1. Reduce this by half. Minus 10 half is minus 5, y plus y1 plus 25. What is the point 1 comma minus 2? This is x1, this is y1. Now let me substitute x1. 1 into x is x, y1, y into minus 2 is minus 2y, minus 5 into x plus x1 is 1, minus 5 into y plus y1 is minus 2 plus 25 equals to 0. So let me solve this one. X minus 2y, minus into plus minus 5x, minus into plus minus 5, minus into plus minus 5y, minus into minus plus 10, plus 25 equals to 0. X minus 2y minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y minus 1 is plus 10. So watch carefully. X minus 5y is minus 4x. Then minus 2y minus 5y is minus 7y. Now let's see the lastly numbers. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 25 is 30 equals to 0. What will happen? Let me take minus common from here. Let me take minus common. So this will become plus. This will become plus. If you take minus common, this will become plus. This will become plus. And this will become minus equals to 0. Hence, this is the equation of polar. So we have done few questions on 2 marks for circles. Let me continue in the next class.